Hi everyone, Nip here from Niptune Design. I run a boutique website design and digital marketing business here in Melbourne. I help clients such as Water Features Galore and Water Features Are Us. I also help my own other businesses to get to the first page of Google, such as Aerial Photography Pro and Kangaroo Hopping Tours. I charge my current rates for SEO at the moment is $1,000 per month. So when you hop on my 2-hour course, you're actually going to save yourself thousands of dollars each month if you're hiring an SEO agency, right? So in this course, we're going to be learning two things in the 2 hours. One is learning to do keyword research, finding the right keywords when it comes to finding low competition keywords versus high competition keywords. Number two, when you decide what kind of keywords you want to work with on your website, we can looking at implementing those keywords onto your existing website. We're looking at browser page title, headings, content, images, videos, and getting external links coming back to your website. So whether if you want to start a new business during this pandemic, or whether you have an existing business and you're looking to gain more traffic to your website, this course will be a perfect beginning to this journey. Right? Come and join me 2-hour SEO course, learning the basics and understanding about SEO. That will save you thousands of dollars each month. Hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.